there were three people who had come on a bike. So these were bike-borne miscreants or assailants. The firing happened at 5:30. The assailants had come on a bike and two of them had opened fire. The firing happened on the ground and the first floor of the house. Elvish Yadav was not at his residence at the time of the firing. Elvish, in fact, lives on the second and third floor. The caretaker and family members were present in the house at the time of the firing. They informed the police officials. The police officials are currently there and are investigating. In fact, we're told that Elvish Yadav was not at his residence at the time of the firing and he was in Haryana. The police will be taking action on receiving the complaint from the family. Legal action is currently being taken. The police officials are also collecting evidence from the crime scene, including the CCTV footage from the surrounding area. My colleague Priyank Tripathi joins us on the broadcast with the details. Priyank, what more details do we have now? We're told that the investigations have revealed that these were bike-borne assailants. What are the details?
Yeah, certainly, Pratibha. This incident happened in the wee hours in the early morning when Elvish Yadav was not at his residence. There were three bike-borne criminals who came right outside the residence of Elvish Yadav there in Gurugram. This is a newly constructed house where he had also made a vlog about this particular construction of the house, and soon after he shifted. But who these assailants were is a big question before the Gurugram police officer, and certainly with the help of the CCTV footages, they will be able to know about the identification of these suspects. But time and again, these social media influencers being targeted by the gangs is certainly something which is a worry in Gurugram. But it's a known fact that Elvish Yadav has also been picking a fight with several individuals over the period of many years, many months. And the kind of videos which he makes after he picks up a fight and he goes and, try to give an open challenge to the other side has been one of the reasons for which the police will be also going through the detailed number of individuals who had been fighting with Elvish Yadav over on the social media platform, or they had some other issue. There's one more aspect of the investigation which the police is also looking into, that whether this was an incident because of some extortion racket or not. So multiple things need to be considered. It's just a matter of few hours when this firing had happened. But fortunately, no one has been injured in this incident because the incident happened in the wee hours, and Elvish was also not at his residence in Gurugram when this incident happened.
Okay, all right. Priyank, thank you for joining us with those details. The police investigations are continuing. They're also looking at whether this was any personal rivalry or whether Elvish Yadav has any threats. My colleague Mohit also files this ground report. Take a look.
एल्विश यादव के घर पर 20 से 25 गोलियों से हमला कर दिया गया है, ताबड़तोड़ फायरिंग कर दी गई है, जिसकी तस्वीरें मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूं। ये एल्विश यादव का वो घर है जहां पर जो उन्होंने अभी कुछ समय पहले ही बनाया था, और इस मकान के ऊपर ताबड़तोड़ फायरिंग की गई है। गुरुग्राम पुलिस की क्राइम की और गुरुग्राम पुलिस की जो टीमें हैं वो यहाँ मौके पर पहुंच गई हैं, और वो मौके पर पहुंचने के बाद सीसीटीवी है उसको कब्जे में ले रही हैं। और मैं आपको तस्वीरें दिखाना चाहूंगा एल्विश यादव घर के बाहर। ये जो खोल के निशान आप देख सकते हैं कि कितने जो खोल के निशान यहाँ हैं, और इससे कई ज्यादा निशान जो है उनके घर की दीवारों पर सीधे तौर पर गोलियों के देखे जा सकते हैं। आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि इस जगह से, यानी इस जगह पर सीसीटीवी में जो बदमाश हैं वो कैद हुए हैं, और इस जगह पर खड़े होकर के वो यहाँ से सीधा फायर करते नजर आए हैं, जहां से उन्होंने यहाँ पर गोली चलाई है, घर के कई और कोनों पर गोली चलाई है। पूरा परिवार जो यहीं पर ही मौजूद था। एल्विश यादव के पिता से जब हमने बात की तो उन्होंने बताया कि पूरी फैमिली यहाँ थी जिस समय पूरी घटना हुई है। हालांकि जो एल्विश यादव है वो यहाँ मौजूद नहीं थे, मगर ऐसे में इनको किसी प्रकार की जो वार्निंग है उसको लेकर भी कोई इन्होंने पुष्टि नहीं की है, किसी तरह की कोई धमकी नहीं थी। अचानक ही पूरा हमला हुआ है घर के ऊपर, परिवार के ऊपर। तो ऐसे में हालांकि किसी को किसी प्रकार की चोट नहीं आई है, मगर जिस तरीके से एक बॉलीवुड के एक्टर के घर पर ये हमला होता है, उसके ऊपर ताबड़तोड़ फायरिंग होती है, कहीं ना कहीं सवालिया निशान जो है गुरुग्राम पुलिस के ऊपर भी उठा रहे हैं। क्योंकि जहां आम आदमी इस शहर के अंदर अपने आप को सुरक्षित नहीं समझता, तो ऐसे में जो खास आदमी होते हैं उनके घरों पर भी ताबड़तोड़ फायरिंग अगर सरेआम कर दी जाती है तो कहीं ना कहीं सवालिया निशान लगातार उठ रहे हैं।
Now, the investigations are currently underway. Elvish Yadav was not at his residence at the time of the incident, but unidentified assailants who were on their bikes, there were three people, opened fire outside his residence, and this was in Gurugram. The incident is said to have taken place between 5:30 to 6. Police officials have already reached there and are conducting their investigations. Forensic samples are also being taken. In fact, we have more breaking updates coming in of the details of when the firing actually happened. The firing is said to have taken place at 5:30, and 12 rounds, as many as 12 rounds were fired at the residence of Elvish. So this is very, very concerning. 3 bike-borne men were involved in it. There were 2 who opened fire. Elvish Yadav not at his residence at the time of the incident, but the firing had targeted the ground and the first floor of the house. The family as well as the caretaker were at the residence. They informed the police officials. Now the police officials are at the spot collecting evidence from the scene of crime. They will also be looking at the CCTV footage from around the area to identify the assailants. With that, let's get you more breaking updates now coming in.